The Adaptive Sports Center is an outdoor program for people with disabilities. We started in 1987, so for the last 32 years we've been empowering the lives of people with disabilities through outdoor recreation. The reason why we built the Kelsey Wright building was to better serve our participants, to be able to serve more participants, and for organizational sustainability.
In 2014, Emory was awarded a scholarship to participate with the Adaptive Sports Center. We came out as a family to participate and decided to make this our home, so we came out and bought a house in 2015. Since then, we've all participated and volunteered with the Adaptive Sports Center. When we first moved here, we heard about the prospect that Adaptive Sports were looking into building their own facility, and to see the finished product is just incredible.
We are so thankful to all the people at Weil-McLain for all of the support, and the boiler system they provided definitely made this project happen.
The Kelsey Wright building is a unique building in that it has the ability to cater to individuals with accessibility challenges. And if a boiler goes down, it's catastrophic failure. The product we selected was the best fit for the project because of its reliability, of the product support that we received from Weil-McLain. The SVF boiler has a very wide range of product sizes, and so its applicability is very good across multiple installations. The installation was very easy, and we had a very knowledgeable factory representative come out and assist us in the commissioning process. So from start to finish, it was a very good product, and I would highly recommend it for other projects.
Thanks to our partners like Weil-McLain, our participants like the dryers are going to have access to a world-class facility.
We're excited for the future of the Adaptive Sports Center. The program's only going to grow with this new facility, and we look forward to being part of it.